Good day and welcome back to AnandRathi weekly podcast on fundamental का वार बुधवार मैं हूं नरेंद्र सोलंकी. So let's start with the markets. Our markets are trading in a very narrow range. There is no clear short-term trend. And since we are just at the start of the result seasons, we could be getting much clarity on the direction by current week's end as more results trickle in for large companies across various sectors. And yes, so far we have seen just the results from the four large IT companies and HDFC Bank. Now, in this week, we would be seeing results from different sectors, from the companies like Reliance, Asian Paints, Hindustan Unilever, JSW Steel, ICICI Bank, Maruti, Ultra, Tech Cements, etc. So, this week would be very crucial week in terms of results and also in terms of market deciding some kind of a direction, and depending upon how the results fare up for the different sectors, and then markets would be taking cues from these results and taking it forward for rest of the month. Now let's start with the key developments recently. In today morning, just Japanese central bank policy meet concluded, and it chose to make no change to the yield range and has maintained its yield curve control policy at current range. The Bank of Japan also left its interest rate unchanged at an ultra dovish stance of minus 0.1%, which is in line with the expectations of the markets, and has also maintained same rate it's kept since 2016. One point here to remember is that Japan is the only major developed economy which has not raised rates yet, and has also kept a dovish policy. And any change in stance would be any significant. So right now everything has been on the expectations of the market. Now coming to the upcoming events during the week, key economic events lined up during this week are: today, US retail sales data is there. On 19th, US jobless claims data is there. 24th, German manufacturing PMI is there. So these are the global economic events lined up this week. Now coming to the sector leadership on a relative basis for the coming week, nothing much has changed as I had already explained in my opening remarks. The leading sector continue to remain same from last week, which are banks including both private and PSU, financials, cyclicals like metals. Sectors where improvement is seen is IT and energy, and sectors which are continue to remain weak are FMCG, auto, consumer, pharma, and realty. So that is from our side, and meet you same day next week. Thank you. Happy investing.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.